Guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make sweet and spicy fruit dipping sauce, or in Thai we call Nam-Pla Waan. This is sweet salty dipping sauce that perfectly with the crunchy sour fruit like green apples or sour mango. So let's start with the sugar. Today we're gonna use the coconut sugar in a medium pot along with the medium heat. And also add some of the water. For the ingredients I will put in the description box below. Heat on a low heat until the sugar melt and use spoon to break up them lumps to speed up the melting process. And continue to keep stirring. Once the sugar has completely melted, and then we're gonna add some of the fish sauce and also the shrimp paste, and set the pot over low heat. Keep stirring until everything has melted and come to a gentle boil. And now we're gonna add some of the fish sauce and continue to stir. And then add the dry shrimp. And continuing heating and stirring for another 3 or 5 minutes. And add dry chili as you like. If you doesn't want to have the spicy, and then add a little bit this. Now you can see like this, and then remove the pot from heat and let the syrup cool, and it will be also the thicken up slightly. And now you can see our sauce is more thickened, and then add the shallot and also chili onto the sauce, and also add a bit more of the dry shrimp, smaller one and also the biggest one as you prefer. And after finish, I recommend that this one is so delicious when you eat with the mango, sour mango, or also the sour green apple. This sauce can keep in refrigerator for months. It's the dish that forms a great balance between sweet, salty, sour, and spicy. And this is the great snack or dessert. And it's surprising simple to make yourself at home. When you are in Thailand, you can buy Nam-Pla Waan that's already made in a jar or in a bottle in the supermarket, or find it there is in the market in Thailand very easy. So I hope you guys give this try for this recipe, and if you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. So see you next time.